you cannot just, even if somebody's not acting okay, you cannot just be all right.
No, when you have to.
What it be the hee when you do for the
under
now?
What it be the who when you taste that?
The who now, it was a sigh.
My own, na isai. Yeah. Kai.
You're not okay. There's no hope for me. As long as I'm with you, there's no hope for me. Well done, Jade. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is come and be a Friday. You understand? Because I count the days. I tell you before that Friday are my favorite days. So anytime when
our welcome song.
Our welcome song. Hey.
You are welcome. Woo! You are welcome. Woo! You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome.
You are welcome. You are welcome to Paddy Show. You are welcome.
You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome.
You are welcome. You are welcome to Paddy Show.
You are welcome. 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 Yeah. Una welcome.
So for those of una who are just they join us, welcome.
Yeah, welcome on top of the show. Yes. As new members.
As new members. You understand? We have welcomed you to the show today.
Exactly.
So today we have quite a lot of things. We will do sign language because we didn't really know the kind of people that are watching us.
Yes. All right, let's go, man.
Okay.
Right now. You're going to talk about the sign language now.
What's it be that first paparazzi way first do?
No, not readiness. You understand me?
Okay, you don't do in the groove.
Yeah, so you guys
don't do in the mood.
Yes, you address your emotional issues.
Okay, make I do them again.
Yeah, again.
May I do them again?
Yeah.
Okay, so I go talk now, I go give them sign language for it depends on the people who just join us. You understand?
Yes.
Make them for understand.
Yeah.
You see, Paddy show. Now show will make sense. You understand? You have to do you understand.
They know they show me now.
You have to do you understand. Paddy na show where be say everybody feel watch him. You understand? It can't be you know do you understand? You see, Paddy na there. Na there.
Na there.
Okay. Na there. Paddy na stock show. You understand? Stock. Then finally, Paddy. Whether you like it or yes, you must love the show. What?
You must love the show.
What was that?
You must love the show.
Why are you like this?
No! That's how we roll, man. You understand? Because that's what they
like egg roll.
Like an egg roll, you understand? Fish roll, egg roll, and every. I mean, this thing, no, we did learn everything. Like my mother already talked some days back. Everything we did do.
Everything we did do.
Don't sing just now. Don't do sign language just now. You understand? Today, now those two talents we just exhibit.
Yes.
Maybe other days we just show now some other things them. You know, but as usual, we'll never introduce ourselves. My name Ogbolo. She be Mayowa.
Yes.
You understand? And I will be the handcuffs and handcresses.
You know what? Okay, handcuffs and handcresses. I'm telling you something.
That's how we roll.
You know, I want to give you a proverb.
Yes.
A proverb. I want to give you a proverb for pidgin. You know, so then talk say, human beings no fit clap with one hand.
Yes.
It just be like you want to clap because they do like this. No, you can't do that. So before you can have a successful clapation, you have to be two hands joined together. Together. So what me is trying to say is that hello, who you help?
Who you help?
Because the thing be say you have to clap, you have to join hands together with people to be a successful anything. That's now why I dey tolerate this man.
Exactly.
You understand?
In other words, ikokotoba jata idiragbono.
Break. You have talked nonsense. Break.
Ikokotoba jata idiragbono.
No talk again.
Yes, sir.
No talk again.
Ikokotoba jata idiragbono. Now heavy Ondo Proverb I give you from Undo. Deep.
Very deep.
For they talk to because you be surface Yoruba. You are not in depth.
Be surface any language.
You know even deep for Yoruba.
You not go deep.
Me, I know be Yoruba, but I declare you the Yoruba language. You there they form shockness. Say you are come and be shocked. Say what I speak. Speak. Ikoko to ba. Calabash, not those molded they mold. Wait, make I no come explain that for you, understand? I know the know. You understand me now? Talk, Jare. They carry face like no, proverb,
really
we will knock proverb for you.
For all of the shenanigans, please give us a yarn, the yarn.
Mona show us yarn the yarn, I beg. We will come talk story, I beg. Before they do, I can talk.
Ogbola, don't be trying me.
Maya, don't they try me.
Ogbola, don't be trying me.
Maya, don't they try me.
I'm warning you on this show.
I didn't warn you on top of this show.
If not they warn me, it's called woman battery.
Woman, eh?
What? No, they warn me.
No, they warn me now. Man battery.
I feel slap you, nothing go happen. Try touch me, Macy. Just try am.
Why you encourage me very fast? I they do anyhow.
Don't try me.
Because they cry, say husband, mayo.
No, beat me.
It's it now.
No, they beat me. You don't get forgiving spirit.
We are friendship. Now you see your forgiveness. What is the worry you? I give my forgiveness when I feel like forgiving you. 2 years from now.
Bayale. That is what I say when I don't ready to give you the give. Moving on to Yarn the Yarn. Hello, our first gist for today. Are you ready for me? Yes, you have to give me soundtrack. Thank you. Very sad one.
This one.
So this particular guy, he get this dog. When they call the name of the dog Melvin, the guy named na Philip. Him and his wife will be Paula. Philip and Paula then get dog with the name na Melvin. Melvin don't old. Melvin na like 12 years old when Melvin come begin to sick. Now the man say, oh, my Melvin, I cannot live my life without my Melvin. You can't say, you know what? You know what? I go clone of my Melvin. The guy spent $100,000 to clone a dog. He cloned the dog. 2 different clones now he do. Just to keep the memory of Mevi alive. The wife now say, oh, Mevi is the smart dog when I don't know for my life. You see it? That's the clone of the dog. That's the clone of the dog when he do. The clone then dey with Mevi for hospital for his last days till he die. But the moral of the story be say the man spent $100,000 just to clone a dog because he dey had to part from the dog.
Now what?
That is it.
So have you stopped my soundtrack?
If you stop.
Thank you very much.
Sad.
Very, very sad thing. But so you know, some people know they feel live without some of their pets.
Yeah.
When you and your pet don't, get one kind of life together, especially dogs.
Especially dogs, eh?
Especially dogs, because I don't talk about it for several times for this show. So if that's the dogs, they get soul. They connect to human beings somewhere.
Yeah.
The connection different. Why people know they fit raise fowl as they raise dog? Why they fit raise goat as they raise dog?
In fact, this particular guy, Philip, he talks say one thing we make say why in he say Melvin this special now because one time like that, they find their house key. Say the dog just they go towards one place, they cry. They go to one place, they bark. So now they can't follow the dog go there. Say see their key for there.
Exactly. They get that thing. You understand? I believe say when we all get to hell, we'll see dogs for that. I believe so.
Wow.
Yeah. Only say dogs, this particular dog now.
Ogbola na my okay, na my gist, you don't do.
Melvin.
No, Ogbola na my gist.
I get a guy they call Melvin, my friend. Why do they call that dog Melvin?
This gist, na my gist, you don't do.
Alright, make I talk my own gist.
Oh, yeah, talk
you
your
understand?
own.
Based on my own gist. Because my own short, it's not too expatiated. You understand me now? University of Bradford scientists. Just like for a year, we get university people, then what they do research too. They research. They research. Yeah. For year, fire. They research fire.
Research anything.
Even though we are come and lay claim of it,
but with the research. Don't worry yourself. While research is
yes. But University of Bradford scientists, they don't predict waiting Prince George go look like.
That they are small picking.
That they are small. They all born which the scientists don't predict how it will look like when you don't be 7 years old, when you don't be 20 years old, 40 years old, and 60 years old. Say get one kind of machine they will just say put for the pikin face as the nose dey long as it go dey grow, as the face go dey expand as it go dey grow, as things go dey change, as baby go dey take dey come out as they grow, they fit predict am. So they can't get picture where they just say, they show people one by one. We go dey follow up. I never follow Nigeria, I won't finish. We go dey follow ahead. Now this small be that don't put it like 7 years old. This one go be like 20 years old. This one go be like when you don't talk to 40 years old. And then when they'll be like 60 years old, now this one will come B. Sure. So now that's small be this so in 60 years time.
They don't predict in future.
They don't predict in future how it will take B.
Till 60 years old.
Yes. But that one easy to come predict to. Now small be this way. That one easy to predict to. But for you know if you predict some kind of things.
No. You know if you predict because you go see somebody. Look, let me tell you.
Whether they change alone.
Even apart from the weather, forget that thing. You go see somebody. The level of the money where the person gets, it go change in look.
Yes.
Or the level of the suffer, where the person suffer, it go change in look.
Hustle.
Come on this thing for our face, make we tell you something.
Hustle.
See, for this part of this country where we dey, you feel see somebody be say when it's small, it be like this.
Yes.
Everybody go there. By the time when you go reach like 22 years old,
you don't talk to this thing. You don't go.
When money they come, you can't raise.
I get many friends where money don't reconstruct their face.
Can't raise. When money finally come, you can't talk like this. See.
When I come to get fat head.
You can't talk like this.
Can't swell up.
The neck and the head go swell up.
You understand? So
don't predict here.
Money they change things.
This part of the world, don't try it.
I don't know my story.
You don't get forgiving spirit. You don't get. I don't tell you this thing. You don't know how to forgive.
With a late claim of story. But some people they are ugly. They don't fit predict their future face.
Yes, sir. Meanwhile, I just want to talk this one real quick. Nigeria, we hail thee. I love my country. You love your country, don't you?
Before.
So for those of you now, we no watch, we no get opportunity to listen in on the list of the ministerial appointment something. Yeah. We just want to tell you that you have already give them. You understand? And I remember say they give transportation to Amechi. They've give the works, housing, and something to brush fast.
Na fashion and I carry that one. Works, housing, and power. Power.
Our president is Minister of Petroleum. Let's go and break.
Say, Baba. Petrol.
Break, oh. Trip me past epic. The way my face they change. Now trip me past. Ella, with Wabook. Facebook. All right, part 2 of the gist where we get for you now. This 72-year-old woman, they don't give her 21-year suspended jail term. Make she go serve for inside jail and 44 euros fine. Ask me for reason why. Maybe this woman, she have got to go and visit her son for inside a prison. They did not really tell us why her son was incarcerated. According to English, and everything that they call him. But when they put it for prison, it's called being incarcerated, all right? Now, they don't tell us the reason why the woman became enter inside prison. In fact, they don't even give us the name of the woman. But according to MICC, is it micc.co.uk? That particular news for inside the United Kingdom.
Yes.
Can't come out, say this particular woman, say the Yeramo, she only her carry one kind of fanciful case like that. Can't fold small heroin, put small cocaine, put 20 euros, that's around $21. Come put some illicit items worth about $88. She shall put them. Come fold them inside this thing will be like egg case. You understand? Fold them inside. Come chuck them inside her place so she dey take bomb picking.
Oh.
She won't smuggle and enter inside.
Inside the prison.
Go give her son.
So the boy your high inside prison.
She won't give her son. Possibility they say, not be say if possible now if they read wide and if they follow some of these kind of stories, it's possible to say not be say because he won't high. If he be say he won't sell them. To make some kind money for inside prison. Or you want to use them as exchange for some kind of things.
To barter
for inside prison. But either ways, Malay, in your picking, you want to ruin the life even more. I'm not trying to judge. You understand? But sometimes you go talk say mother. You go don't look, say my picking dog.
Look, say anything.
And now 74. They can't give her 12 months in the prison.
Oh, they don't give her 12 months.
My brother. Oh, go on, man. What did that for do?
74 years old woman,
yes,
73 years old woman.
74,
now
she go come out for inside the
Jaya.
but now suspended 21 months jail. You understand?
Well, anyway, Male, 74, you know to take. You understand? But plus 1 more, 73 plus 12 more months to just come and enjoy prison environment. Well, now the bad way you do. Now the bad way you do. But any which way, some mothers will talk say anything for their pikin. No.
Now when pikin dey inside the prison, mama dey inside the prison. This is called a situation. Why are you laughing?
When you say you no get expression,
you know, you get one way they talk for Yoruba, they say orogba That means the talk have take So when you didn't really have words to say to it, it's called a situation.
All right, for my own final gist, people they run, people they hide. When some people they talk say they won't run, live inside bush, can't go town, go they live. This particular Spanish doctor, 20 years ago, 1996, doctor waka enter inside. Okay, make I paint like this first. You know, say they doing doctor work. All of a sudden, the doctor say, "May don't tire to stay with human beings." Them around 1996, they don't tire to stay where human beings are they day. Okay, doctor, wait till he just pack his load, go bush. He don't tell anybody where they go. He just lost, just disappear. Then they find out. 4 years later, they can't declare say the guy don't die. You know, say where you go find person rich. They just say, well, as you know, if you see him, no trace, no, they can't declare the guy dead. No being some other guy like 20 years later. Because they enter bush, when they go hustle, some kind of hustle for inside bush. They can't they see come, they see container, they see and the person they live for this particular bush. Now Spain, this one happen, sha. Why don't it happen? Now they all see person just come out, bam, dirty face, carry the bag for mouth, plenty. Yeah. Now they take off, brrr. It might be like Bushman. Now they take off. They can't go bring their Ogalita, will be the head of their hunting team. Now they can't come back. They can't go back to that particular place. You can't say, who be this guy? As man can't come, a guy can't speak their language, give them, say, come. Yeah,
so you talk him.
You understand? As you give them, just black them the gist. Meaning say, I be Spanish person. And my name na Carlos. When I say your name na Carlos, they can't say, make him prove himself. Carlos. When they make it prove him, he can't bring out the passport. We don't dirty for corner. He can't show. He can't be say, Now the guy that they find 20 years ago, now be this guy. So now you can tell them, say, now, okay, say, he just decided to say, no one stay where human beings stay again. He won't enter bush, go, they live by himself, alone. Say, now they don't see him now. Say, he need to move from there. Now this one, they snap the passport picture, pick him, snap the guy picture, poof. When they enter town, then they can contact Carlos' family. Say, hey, we don't see you now picking.
Carlos not die, yo.
Now bushman now, he not die, yo. He there for bush now, they run things with animals and forest. You get, but now your own decision. Now what he decide to do. Everybody's entitled to his or her own movement things.
You know, say that kind of life will fit you.
You know, say, I don't stay for bush alone. Okay. Two of us go.
No worry, no fit you again.
No fit me again.
No fit you again. No worry yourself. No worry yourself.
Anyway, maybe we run go for laugh before bush life on the sweet my hour. Okay? So we are coming back right about now for laugh the laugh. Hi. However, when you tell look the whole thing, what if they try preach for this particular video we just play now? That say, please, if you they drink with caution. You understand? Because alcohol intake and every don't be what you go.
You know, you need to understand that. Look, make I tell you something. Excessive intake of alcohol, it doesn't really have sense.
At all.
Apart from the fact that it will damage your health. you go come dey do like fool.
You go mess your swag up.
I'm telling you, all your swagoo go just die.
Oh, no.
You will become a swagless person. You understand? But both for male and female.
Exactly.
So please have a cautionable thinking of alcohol.
If you can do without it, good for you.
If you can do without it, good for you. I mean, come on, you know, because it's only alcohol that they will give you one something, but you have multiple reaction. They'll slap you once if you fall like 8 times. They come there. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. Follow me for Twitter at Mayowa Lambe and my darling at Funny Ogbolo. And then follow us on top Instagram at Wazobia TVNG. Follow me at Mayowa Lambe and at Ogbolo. Follow the station on top YouTube, youtube.com/Wazobia Paddy Paddy. And if you do on top your local station for inside Lagos State, just carry your remote, make you begin search for a channel of VHF 57 and you go see Wazobia 1 and you go feel watch us for inside that level. Okay. But because we love you, you understand,
We'll ask one question because some people can't chop pizza. Some people go win pizza.
Oh my God, that's pizza.
Courtesy from us here, or based on say every we all love people anyhow.
Let me tell you, if you have a bae and you have never taken your bae out, better answer this question.
Yes.
Because it's time for you to have a free pizza. Come on, ask it.
Now you be the woman now. Now you dey ask people foreign question now. You understand? Okay. Well, since some people don't join us for this ministry, you understand? Now new intake we don't get now. Go on top Twitter. What it be her name? What it be my name?
Thank you.
Finish. You understand?
What is its name?
Yes.
What is her name?
Exactly.
It is a boy or it is a girl. It is my name or it is his name. It is a boy or it is a girl.
Say her name na Fatima and my name na Tayo or which on the abo or am I Effiong or this one na Iye. So, what is our name?
What is our name? Says
for those newcomers who just join the ministry.
Yes, because as a woman being, when they deliver you in your body, you will have something that the people can identify you with. The English people call it a name.
A name. You understand?
So, what are our names is?
Yes.
You understand? Give us a sneak peek.
Yes.
Into our names.
Wazobia Paddy Paddy on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy Paddy.
And finally, to wrap it up before we go, I just want to tell you that as a woman beings, you have to learn that woman beings.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Get better day. We love all of you. God bless you.
Woman beings, they come in.
No human will not be free. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.